Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of dash disassembly on Alfa Giulietta. I'm going to show you how to remove these buttons right here. I'm also going to show you how to remove the climate controls, and lastly I'm going to show you how to remove the DNA button. I'm going to start by removing these top buttons for start, stop, lock, and for the fog lights. For that I'm going to use this plastic trim removal tool to remove this plastic cover. I'm just going to slide it beneath it and gently push it off. You can see there are two clips at the top, and we got 3 more plastic clips at the bottom. Now we still have 4 more screws to remove. There are 2 right there, and we got 2 more at the bottom which are a bit harder to see. Now to get them out I'm gonna use my T25 Torx bit and my spinner handle. So I'm just gonna unscrew them. I'm gonna do the same with these remaining 2, however they are a bit more tricky to get out after you unscrew them. Now to get these 2 screws out I'm just gonna move around the whole piece a little bit and they will pop out. Now I can remove the whole thing, and you can see we got 1 connector, and to undo it you can see there's a plastic clip on the top. I'm just gonna press on it and pull the connector out. And that's basically it for the buttons. Next I'm moving to climate controls. You can see these metal clips. There are 2 of them at the bottom. So all we gotta do is press on them and pull the climate controls off. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna press on these metal clips and I'm gonna pull the whole thing out. Again, we got 1 connector. I'm gonna press the clip in and I'm gonna pull the lever to the left. And it's as easy as that. Lastly, I'm gonna remove the DNA button. I'm just gonna grab the whole thing and basically just pull it out. You can see it's held in place with these metal clips. There are 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Again, we got 1 connector to remove. I'm just gonna pull on this plastic clip and pull the connector off. Now to remove the button all the way, you got these metal clips on the sides. You can see we got 2 on one side, and on the other my button is actually missing them, but there should be 2 more right there. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing.